Cousins from mom's side are always better than your dad's side. Just see the difference, guys. Can you guess the difference? That's my boy. Hey brother, my stomach is paining. That's because your stomach is empty. Now I understand why you always have a headache. No one. Indian shoe shops. हाँ, कौन सा साइज? जिंदगी में अगर एक यूपी वाले से न दोस्ती की तो क्या खाक दोस्ती की? Zoom and see this picture before leaving your food in your plate. It gives a moral lesson to society not to waste food. Do men still open car doors? How do you think we get inside? Multiple choice question be like, एक दिन ज़रूर आएगा क्योंकि 2 दिन एक साथ नहीं आ सकते. School should have taught us storytelling the way Zakir Khan is teaching it on front row, पर नहीं. तुम तो पढ़ती पढ़ता पठंती करो DC. In school farewells, teachers, girls, boys, watchman uncle. I hate when some website ask me, are you human? No, I am mango. Someone, how loyal you are. Me. When my moms call me to eat food after beating me. We laughed, we cried, we danced, we sang. The school came to an end and real life began. Me using then because I don't know the difference between then and then. इनको क्या ही पता चलेगा. My friends, when I open chips packet. When you cook food in summer. Have you ever been so close to someone but you were never in a relationship, and when you both stopped talking it felt like a breakup? People that cannot dance actually have mad dancing skills in their head. She be like, कितने सुकून से मैच देख रहा है, उसको अभी 6 महीने पुराने टॉपिक पे लड़ाई शुरू करती हूँ. I will never leave you. But I will. We all cried during these 2 scenes. Definitely. Sachin Tendulkar's daughter Sara Tendulkar likely to enter Bollywood. Reports claim she is taking acting lessons. Hum first, hum first. When you call her with some other girl name. Funny meme, guys, you should read yourself. Requesting Elon Musk to take over SBI and improve its customer services. Me who just got batting, mom from balcony. Bowler takes a wicket, teammates. मालती और सुनीता को अपनी बहन को नज़रों से देखूंगा. भगवान बस आज कोहली को 0 पर आउट करने से बचा लेना. पुष्पा, आई हेट समर. If we are ever in a don't laugh situation, bro, do not look over at me. पराग अग्रवाल के पड़ोसी और रिश्तेदार राइट नाउ। हमने तो उससे पहले ही बोला था TCS या इन्फोसिस ज्वाइन करना, जॉब सेफ्टी तो रहता है। छोटी बच्ची हो क्या? हाँ, अब गोदी में ले ले। Summer seasons exist. My mind. Only girls can understand this. अरे भाई, तुझे कितनी बार कहा है कि मैं उसकी यादें नहीं मिटा सकता। Three words better than I love you. Exam is cancelled. Me as a lawyer. Your honor, I have screenshots. What we might hear if Sachin starts doing commentary in IPL. मेरे खुद के बेटे ने 3 साल अप्लाई किया था। मेरी पावर को मत भूल तू, मुझे याद रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं। Raise your hand if you remember this candy. I think I am half Batman and half Spider-Man because I have no power, no money. Real life Batman. How will you bring my account back on Twitter? I will buy Twitter. ऑरेंज कैप भी है, पर्पल कैप भी है, हैट्रिक भी है, हाईएस्ट 6 भी है, टेबल टॉपर भी है। समीर डिड इट टू colonial way before. Peg colored horse bought for 23 lakh Punjab turns brown on being washed. Heard you are buying Twitter. Amazon is next. Bruh, add to cart. OnePlus 10R has 150 watt charging and hyper boost gaming processor. Gamer, the world is in your hands. Cameraman focuses Dhoni's dressing room. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you again for watching.